Okay, so we're solving for PV, present value. Let's just look at the wording of this and see what's going on here. So Deirdre won $10,000 in the lottery. Awesome. So you have that money right now. And then she decides she wants to spend some of it. Makes sense. But she also wants to put some of that into some type of investment so that in 7 years' time, it grows back to $10,000. So basically you have 10,000, but you're spending some of it and investing some of it. And so the question is asking, how much would I invest in now, um, so that in 7 years, it grows back to $10,000? All right, so that's what we're talking about. We're talking about present value. So remember from the formula package, present value equals the future value divided by 1 plus r over m, all to the exponent of tm. Okay, so we've got, we want it to be $10,000 in the future. Okay. So we want in 7 years for it to be back up to $10,000. Okay. And we've got one plus our rate is 5.5%. So 5.5% divided by 100, that is 0.055. So we got 0.055. Okay. CM. So every month. So divided by 12. We're doing it for 7 years worth. So 7 years and compounded monthly. Okay, so these are the numbers you're using. So what's cool about this is you get to figure out how much I can of the original lottery. What you're seeing is how much can I spend now, so that I'll still have $10,000 in 7 years from now. Okay, so let's work out the bottom part first. So rewrite the 10,000. Let me just erase that for a minute. Okay, so rewrite the 10,000. Work out the inside. So I've got 0.055 divided by 12 plus 1. So that part gives me 1.00458. That's all I'm going to write out. And then I'm going to do 7 times 12, which is the exponent part, right? This part right here. So 84. All right. So now I'm going to rewrite the top again. And I'm going to do 1.00458 to the exponent of 84. So I got 1.4679. And so I'm just going to divide those two numbers now. So I've got 10,000 divided by that number, and I've got $6,812.39. So remember, I won $10,000. Okay. So what that means is I've got to take part of that $10,000. I got to take this amount, $6,812.35. And I'm going to put that into the bank account and not touch it. The remaining amount of 10,000, so if I just subtract that from 10,000, that was $3,187. So basically $3,187. So I won $10,000. So $3,187. I'm just putting the full amount. I'm not going to put the decimal value, but basically, I can spend this amount that I won from the lottery, and I'm going to keep and invest this amount. And then basically in 7 years, if I wait 7 years, I have $10,000 back in my account.